excited to be here with y'all tonight. I will be interviewing no other than Damaged Danny Day. That's right, XWE's new women's champion. You know, I've always been a fan of Damaged Danny Day. I tried staying clear of her because I heard she was one crazy son of a bitch. But very glad that she's here today and I get a few words with her. I'm just going to ask her 3 simple questions. You know, get to know the damaged one. Anyways, without further ado, damn it, Clarence! Close the door to the damn bar. I'm over here trying to interview Danny Day. Son of a bitch, Clarence always getting in the damn way. Excuse me. Pardon that. Without further ado, I bring to you Damaged Danny Day! Hi, Georgia. Well, hello there, Damaged One. How are you today? Very glad that you're here. I'm very glad that you're here. Thank you for joining me. Well, let's get down to business. First of all, congratulations on winning the women's title there. I'm very happy for that. First question. How does it feel to be XWE's women's champ? It feels well-deserved. XWE deserves a real women's champ. And with me, they have it. Well, okay. I could see that. So far, you're being one hell of a champ. So, I'm really glad. Anyways, question number 2. Excuse me, Georgia Wildfire can't really read too well, so I'm trying to, get it together and everything. But, anyways, what are your feelings toward Rojo Lobo right now? Well, Georgia, Rojo Lobo is a tough competitor, but, she just wasn't tough enough. She definitely got what she deserved at Conspiracy 3. I hear that. She sure did got what was coming to her. I thought it was really crazy when you took that bandana and shoved it down her throat and was gagging her. And the crowd went wild. And then you took that bandana and threw it to the crowd. I thought that was crazy. But anyway, what are your plans for the rematch that you guys are going to have at some point? Plans for a rematch. Very simple. Destruction, dominate, retain. I'm not mad at you. Straight, simple, to the point. I like it. Alright, well, thank you very much, Damaged Danny Day, for being here and answering a few questions for me and for the XWE universe. I appreciate you, I really do. You could go back to the asylum and do your thing, feasting on carcasses and, with your children and whatever it is you do. You just do you. Damaged Danny Day. It was nice talking to you. Well, there you have it. Damaged Danny Day answered her questions. It was nice being here. Damn it, Clarence! You're gonna let all our meats out. Jesus! Sorry, leave the damn door open to the barn, letting all our meats out. Chicken, cows, all that stuff running wild. Jesus. Can't have our meats going sour. Anyways. Well, it was nice having an interview with Damaged Danny Day. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Till next time, join